Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the presentation called Trigonometry Graphs, where I will help guide you a little bit into how to do trigonometry. Now, the one thing to really understand about trigonometry is that there are, in fact, pretty much 6 types of different versions of the trigonometry graph. And these are the ones here that are presented right here. And as you can see, some represent from the different signs, or different use of trigonometry, this is the sine version. This is for cosines. Cosines here. Right below sine is use of tangents. Down here, right next to tangent, you will also see CSC as being the graph. And then here's a section, or SEC, or right here at the bottom. And then for COT, this is what it's supposed to look like. Now, you can tell from these 6, some of them are basically repeats of the other one, only this time they're in reverse, or they're flipped. As with sine and cosine, you can see that the way how the waves move is different from the other one. So, whereas sine starts off going up and going down, cosine starts with the graph going down and then going up. And it's pretty much the same kind of pattern from there with, stuff like tangent and COT and CSC with SEC. Now, this is here where I'll give you basic instructions of how to graph with a calculator. And this is usually pretty easy. Now, first, you press Y equals on your graph. Y equals on your calculator. And of course, when you get the Y equal signs, you could be able to put in the numbers, or you could put in the functions. Examples for these kinds of things is 1 over 10 x for COT, or 1 over sine x for CSC x. X to put in the calculator. Then after you do that, press zoom. Then go down. And they'll give you a list. So you go down and you press number 7 for Z trig. And of course that will help you notify that you're going to be doing trigonometry. And then finally you press graph, and then they'll give you the precise measurement or the type of graph. And now comes to the amplitude and period definitions and graph examples. The amplitude of a sinusoidal function is 1/2 of the positive difference between the maximum and minimum values of a function. Here, the amplitude here, for example, the amplitude here is equal to 1/2 of an absolute value of max minus minimum. And so take for example this, for y equals 3 sine x. The amplitude is 3 is because you go up to 3 with these wavelengths. And here's another example here. And then finally, the period here. It says a periodic function is an oscillating function which repeats a pattern of y values at regular intervals. So as you can see here, they all kind of follow the same kind of pattern of it always goes up and it always goes down. There's always a cycle to it. And so I hope you enjoy this and learn a little bit about it. Thank you very much.